In the digital age, customers communicate with and about brands through a growing number of digital platforms. This creates a vast amount of text data, and these actual words used by customers, what brands refer to as voice of the customer data, hold valuable insights into their needs and experiences, as well as the way they perceive the brands that are all fighting for their attention. An analysis and data visualization technique called topic models helps us make sense of the voice of the customer data in a systematic way. Let's familiarize ourselves with this technique and learn how to visualize customer feedback with topic models today on Art+Science. Hey there, I'm Kevin Hartman, Associate Professor at the University of Notre Dame and founder of the Art+Science Analytics Institute, where our mission is to make you a better analyst. Voice of the customer data is critical for understanding the genuine opinions, needs, and expectations of customers. This data comes from various channels like social media posts, product reviews, and surveys, providing unfiltered insight into your target audience's thoughts. As analysts, we focus on three key elements. What brands say. Brands connect to customers through advertising, social media posts, PR pieces, and news stories that reflect the brand's messages. By examining a brand's communication, we can identify underlying themes and concepts they convey knowingly or unknowingly. What customers hear. The way customers interpret a brand's communication may differ from the intended message. Analyzing this can gauge effectiveness of the brand's communication tactics. And finally, what customers say. Valuable insights come from what customers say to each other. The stories they tell one another are usually much more impactful on future and current customers than the ones brands are paying lots and lots of money to tell to them. Analyzing what customers say about brands is where we can most effectively learn their true opinions and experiences. The data we collect to explore these elements is text-based. By visualizing those data using topic models, we can identify key themes and trends and gain insight into brand strategies and potential areas for improvement. In this video, we will explore the following four ideas. What are topic models? What is their purpose? How do they work? How do we build topic models? What data and tools do we use? How do we interpret topic models, including an example that we will walk through in this video? And finally, how do we apply topic models? Various ways we can help a business using a topic model. Topic models are a natural language processing technique that uses statistical methods to uncover common themes within extensive sets of text data. Unlike superficial word clouds, topic models go deeper by revealing connections between words and unearthing consistent themes locked in all of that text. They do this by grouping words into clusters based on their usage and calculating the relevance of those clusters when combined with such data as star ratings, sentiment score, or other metrics. Here's how a topic model analysis does what it does. First, the text is broken down into a set of individual words collectively referred to as a bag of words. The word order is not significant here, however, their frequency and the connection to one another are key attributes for the analysis. Next, the topic model is able to group words that frequently occur together and then connect groups of words into distinct topics. As it analyzes these groups, it also uncovers relationships between topics based on the strength or weakness of their connection to other discovered topics. Finally, when text data is associated with a value such as a star rating in a review or a sentiment score on a social media post, the model can further quantify and examine the correlation between each topic and that value. For instance, the model can investigate how often customer service or price is referenced in reviews with higher ratings versus those with lower ratings. If we were to look at a data set of hotel reviews, something that we will examine later in this video, a topic model can identify themes such as decor, room price, and hotel features. From studying the terms within each topic, an analyst can determine which features are most important to customers and their relation to brand strategies. Words can be relevant to multiple themes. For example, in our hotel example, room could appear in themes like cleanliness and comfort since it's important to both topics. A word appearing in multiple topics could indicate a connection or overlap between them. In the topic model visual, the size of the word correlates to its frequency in the text, similar to the way that a standard word cloud would work. Larger words mean they're used more common, smaller words mean they are used less so. This helps analysts quickly and efficiently identify the most prominent themes from a quick scan of the visualization. When creating a topic model, choosing the right data is essential. As an analyst, your goal is to find unstructured text data that provides valuable insight into customer behavior and perceptions. Common sources include brand communications, all written content produced and shared by brands, including their advertisements, social media posts, and blog articles. These all serve as voice of the brand to customers and will be valuable when analyzed. Product or service reviews. Online platforms like Yelp, Amazon, and Google provide a wealth of information on customer satisfaction. Social media posts. Platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit contain real-time opinions from customers about a brand or a product. And finally, direct customer feedback. Open-ended responses from customer surveys or focus group sessions offer direct feedback to specific questions. Collected data must be cleaned and pre-processed for accuracy, including the removal of irrelevant characters and what we call stop words. Words like and, the, a. These are words that appear frequently in our language, but they don't really contribute much to our meaning, so we just remove those entirely from the topic model analysis. The process of stemming is also important to reduce words to their root form for cleaner analysis. This removes prefixes and suffixes from words to allow for more precise analysis of the underlying meaning rather than the surface level word variations. Through stemming, words like running, runner, runs all get shortened to a single theme of run. No specialized tools are needed to implement a topic model or conduct an analysis. There are several ways that analysts can create them. Using R or Python, analysts with coding skills can use packages and libraries like TM, TextStem, others to do the text pre-processing as well as the topic model modeling. Online tools. Non-coders can use tools like MonkeyLearn and others for topic model and natural language processing tasks by simply uploading their data and then applying pre-built algorithms. And specialized software. Platforms like BrandWatch, BuzzSumo, others offer natural language processing features for analyzing social posts and customer feedback, and they can be used by marketers, researchers, or voice of the customer analysts to build topic models very efficiently and quickly. All of these tools will produce topic models that can handle extremely large amounts of unstructured text data, so you never have to worry about having too much input. Interpreting topic models involves identifying themes and subjects within large amounts of text data. For example, let's take a look at key themes revealed by a topic model analysis of thousands of customer reviews of a hotel chain logged by customers online. So here we have a few of the visualizations from our topic model analysis. We can clearly see some themes emerge and words that customers associate with individual themes. Decor and design jumps out. Words like modern, decor, design, bedroom, comfort. These all indicate that customers focus on the interior design of hotel rooms. That suggests that aesthetics play a significant role in customer satisfaction and should be a key consideration for marketing and improvement strategies. Pricing is a key theme. The presence of words like price, worth, paid, deal, extra. These all highlight customer concerns about the value for the money they are paying. This could suggest that competitive pricing or additional perks could improve guest satisfaction. And then finally, key themes around room features. Words like room, view, floor, balcony, and build. These all suggest that customers pay attention to the physical attributes of their room, particularly the view. This indicates that room views are highly valued by customers and guests, and this aspect should be taken into account when considering improvements or changes to the marketing strategy. While we haven't measured sentiment directly in this example with our topic model, layering in a variable like star ratings attached to each of the reviews that were written would provide additional insights by telling us which topic is most impactful on reviews and which topic may be less important for our hotel. Topic models can transform text data into actionable insights, which analysts can use in various ways. Refining the brand strategy. Comparing voice of the customer analysis data to brand messaging can help us make adjustments and align with customer needs and expectations. Optimizing communications. If there are disconnects between the way we are presenting brand themes and the things you want associated with your brand in your messages and how customers are actually interpreting those themes, this could call for us to refine our messages and hopefully improve the brand-customer relationship. Identifying emerging themes. We can keep an eye out for emerging customer concerns and address them promptly when they surface in our topic model. And finally, improving products or services. Analyzing common themes in customer conversations to identify areas for improvement can help us enhance overall customer satisfaction by making those tweaks and presenting products that they really want in the ways they want. Topic models are a valuable tool for understanding voice of the customer data by visualizing those mountains of data that we are able to collect. By analyzing customer reviews, social media posts, and survey feedback, we can gain clear insight into the customer perceptions based on their own words. This helps assess brand performance and allows us to not only listen to our customers, but also learn from them. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, take a moment and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with anyone who you think is interested in data analytics. Every single week, we are bringing new, exciting, and important videos on data analytics, and we would love to have you and your friends there for that journey. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description for this video for additional art science resources, and sign up for our newsletter to get exclusive tips, course updates, and more directly in your inbox. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.